Well, you can see here the thunderstorm has intensified, and Luba has decided it's just going to continue mowing in the rain here. The camera feed is starting to drop out. Oh, we're back. Luba is mowing in a full-on thunderstorm right now. You can see it bumping up against the flower bed. You can even see the wind blowing some of those trees over there. Seems like a pretty good thunderstorm right now. You can even hear the thunder. Looks to be raining pretty hard right now. I think it's starting to rain too hard for Luba's sensors. Luba has ultrasonic sensors, and it's starting to get confused on which way to go because it's raining so hard. It thinks there is something in front of the mower. So we are in a very heavy rain right now, and Luba is just completely confused. It keeps just turning in circles because the raindrops are so large that it thinks there's something in front of it. It seems to be able to go forward now. Did we lose the feed? Come back, Luba. There it goes. Now we're caught back up to real time. You can hear the thunder in the background.